Hello, and today, guess what? I've actually got Noise Putty! And it actually is like a yellowy kind of greeny colour, and I can make a funny noise with it. If you would like to hear it, then
subscribe!
Just wait for my brother to hold this for me. Oops. Yeah.
Subscribe if you want to hear a funny noise.
Yeah, subscribe. You can hear one anyway. Ready? So I'm going to put this up here. Ready? I'm going to push it on. And that sounds like a fart a lot because it's Noise Putty. And here's its box and everything. And I just love Noise Putty because it's so stretchy and sticky and gooey and slimy. And this is exactly why I want to make slime, because I love slime, and I'm going to make slime one day, if I'm allowed ever, in the, not half term, summer holidays, I'm going to make some slime, and it's so fun to play with all day. I'm going to just be playing with this, and playing with this, and playing with this. So here's my pot, and I'm going to put it in, and make another sound. Ready? Ew, that is disgusting. I don't know anybody who'd make such a disgusting sound.
Put it close to the camera so you can hear it better.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!